The following message is transmitted at the request of the Yorkton Weather Service. This is not a drill. Around 6:40 p.m., scientists discovered of an unknown flood coming from the SCP Foundation that killed 20 all-world de Grandina Beach last night at Frankenstein. Total reports from people that have been affected areas. If you live in Maricopa County or Nanton County, we strongly recommend evacuating to Fallon City until further notice. The affected areas are Albertown, Farranville, Cranbrook, Pavarana, and Kirban. If you live one of those areas, please evacuate now by police. The exact number is not known and does not discriminate between civilians, genders, and ages. Please listen safely instructions. If you want more information, please listen to radio. So here are safely instructions. If you see any cracks and holes in your home, please patch so water doesn't come out. If you have a pond, please don't jump there, so do not go outside. Don't use car or a boat, it could cause death. Build a shelter, make sure your loved ones are safe, bring supplies, and get your equipment things for fixing. Do not go any lakes, rivers and beaches, they will be closed until further notice. The President will make a speech after the flood. We now turn into your regularly scheduled programming.